All right, it's time to look at some slopes and see if we can figure out whether they're positive, negative, undefined, or zero slopes. And so take a moment, pause the video, look at these and mark, like make a mental note. What do you think? Which ones are positive? Which ones are negative? And so on. Okay. So when we're looking at this, we see this general like slope here on number 1 is similar to the one on number 4, right? They both have a negative slope. And the way that we know that is as we go across from left to right on the x-axis, we are also going downward on the actual graph. And so let me make sure I'm a little more clear on that. As we go from left to right, so as we're going this direction on the x-axis, as you're looking at it, what is the actual graph doing on the coordinate plane? Well, the graph is decreasing. And so that is considered a negative slope. So negative slope. Okay. So for 1 and for 4, we see the negative slope. So I'll draw that to 4 as well. Okay. And then we have let's do 3 next. So on 3, I see, it's definitely increasing as we're going across to the right. So it makes sense that that is going to be a positive slope, right? So positive slope here. And so that leaves number 2 is the question. All right. So a couple of ways to think of this. To me, I think about that this is a horizontal line, and the word horizontal helps me to remember what kind of slope it is. So it's a horizontal line, and I see the letter Z in the middle of that, and that helps me to remember that this is a zero slope. Okay. Some people I've seen where people will also say, I'm going to write like a big Z here. And I've got 2 horizontal lines in that Z. Like that Z is showing you some horizontal lines. If I had drawn it nicely and neatly, we could see that a little better. But here's a horizontal line, and we go down here, and then there's another horizontal line. So okay. So what was the other one? Undefined. That's a vertical line. So anytime you see a vertical line on a graph, it is considered to be undefined. The slope is considered to be undefined. Let me be specific. Okay. All right. Those are the 4 types. I'll see you next time.